Additive manufacturing is scaling, but consistency, safety, and quality still depend on one critical factor: the operator.
The operator has such a tremendous influence in quality.
Training is critical for quality manufacturing, but how do you prove an operator can consistently deliver this quality? Operator certification is that validation, a standard-based way to prove capability.
This is not to train you how to run it. This is to evaluate your skill sets. To qualify you, it's really an exam to see if you are good at what you do.
This is a hands-on qualification. Real tasks, real conditions, real performance. For OEMs and manufacturers, this is what enables scale.
Not only can we meet the quality requirements based on the technique and technology and materials, but our operators are qualified. They're the best operators out there.
Consistent performance across teams, sites, and supply chains. ASTM AMCOE Operator Certification. Visit amcoe.org/operator to learn more.